Hey there, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you all about Google responsive search ads. We're going to talk to you about what responsive search ads are, how you can implement them in your account, and really the necessary elements to them. Before we get stuck in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe and that like button if you enjoy this content. So let's get stuck right in. So firstly, what are Google responsive search ads? Essentially, they are a search ad, obviously, so a text ad that's on the Google search network, where you give Google a bunch of different possible headlines and descriptions, and they will mix and match the various combinations to find the optimal combination of headline and description. Okay, so they're different to the expanded text ads, in which you just set your three headlines and the two descriptions. You can't mix and match any of those elements. Responsive search ads, you can give Google up to 15 different possible headlines, of which they're going to choose 3, and you can give Google up to 4 different descriptions, of which they're going to choose 2, and they will mix and match the possible headlines and descriptions together. Okay, so in order to implement these in your account, you obviously need a search campaign running. And so if I go into this particular account here, this is for a Google search campaign. And as you can see here, we went to upload a new responsive search ad. And these are the elements we need to give it. So we're going to give it a final URL here, which the final URL is where we're sending the traffic to. So irrespective of which headline or description is clicked, when somebody clicks on the ad, where do I want to send that particular person? So you can only have one possible final URL for each responsive search ad. And then down here we can see we can give it, it says here, all the different headlines. So it's given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 headlines here, and you can give up to 15. So if you want to add more, you just click add headline, and you can give it, as I said, up to 15. You don't have to give it the full 15, and actually often I don't give it the full 15. I only give it maybe 5 or something, depending. You can actually what's called pin a headline. So you can see this pin here, and that means that that particular headline can be set to a set position. So you can say to Google, I only want this headline to be in position 1, 2, or 3, etc. So yeah, basically if you always want a certain headline to be in position 1, for example, you could pin it to be in headline 1. Okay, so yeah, you can really pin any particular headline to any position that you want to. So obviously your headlines are capped at 30 characters, as you can see here. And then the descriptions you can also add up to 4. So we just could add more by doing this. Okay, and yeah, so that's really how easy it is to implement. And then you can just click save and save ad, and then you can add some ad extensions as well. So there you have it. Responsive search ads are actually really easy. In our experience, we find that they actually get more impressions than the expanded text ads, as Google really leans more towards their AI and machine learning. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and stay tuned for future videos. See ya.